Shanghai. This is the Shanghai City Hall here in the People's Square. The British originally built this bridge and they charged a toll. When China took over, it's now called the free of charge bridge. Free for anybody to pass over. Hotel is on the 77th floor. Got a closet, bathroom, living room, office, coffee, bedroom, TV, and here's the other side of the bathroom. Big bathtub, toilet, sink. Very cool.
关于 first it just warm, washing, warm.
多年历史，按照习俗。
Rolling up to Starbucks. Alright, going across the bridge built by Buddhist monks. Super shallow or not very steep steps so anybody can cross. Beautiful canals here.
The only thing is why Chinese houses are called gardens. Of course they're big. So why they're so
Sticky rice and ash used to hold the rocks together. My family house does not look like this. Does yours? Instructions from start to finish on how to farm rice. Study room back in the day really meant getting the boys together, talking about your interests, playing Go, reading, fishing. Pickle shop since 1950. Pickles. Peninsula Hotel here in Hong Kong. Welcome to the Peninsula Hotel. We've got the bathroom. It's fancy digital controls. Toilet, separate shower. Let's see what we got cooking in here. Shower. All of the finishings are very, very nice. Coming into the bedroom, we've got desk, dining table, lounge chair, bed, and then finally taking a look out to the city. Just a city view here on the 24th floor in Hong Kong. Welcome to the fishing village of Tai O, just outside of Hong Kong.
That is related to the history of the place.
All right, me and the boys getting on the boat. Yeah. Wish us luck. We're on the hunt for dolphins.
Hey, I'm Romero from London.
Yeah, I'm Michael from London.
Where are you?
I'm in Hong Kong, but I can't remember exactly.
All right, here we are at the entrance. This is the entrance to the Big Buddha. And along the path, there are actually 12 statues. Somewhere in here, there's one. Over there, there's a statue. And each of the statues protects the Buddha for 2 hours out of each day. Welcome to the Grand Hall of 10,000 Buddhas.
We just had some vegetarian foods with no meat. So good. It just goes to show that you can eat a meal without having meat, protein, and it still tastes excellent. I mean, the food here has been excellent in Hong Kong.
And the climb to Buddha begins. 268 steps. All right, we made it to the top of Buddha, got our pics in, very cool, with our friends.
Jürgen. I'm Jürgen.
Yeah, and of course,
you met me already.
you already know, new characters unlocked. Entering the cable car. We're now in the cable car.
Hello, we had a great time in the tour with our guide Christina. Special, amazing tour, amazing people. Cable car was the cherry on top.
It was. What we think?
We had a great time here at the rooftop bar, Sky Bar in Hong Kong.
Welcome to Hong Kong, Habibi.
Bye. Bye bye. It's really nice here.
Bye.
Ciao!
Welcome to Shenzhen. We've got drone deliveries happening. Right, cycling here in Shenzhen. We have placed our orders for our drinks, and they will be arriving via drone from H1, the drone company. So we're in this beautiful park here in Shenzhen, and our drinks are flying in the sky right now, about to come. too. Hopefully there's a drink on the other side. Bag of goodies. Pony AI rolling up here. Off to the races in our next Pony AI Robo Taxi. Welcome to the DJI Hasselblad store. DJI T60 agriculture drone. Ladies and gents, we have the Xiaomi Su7 Ultra. In case you're not familiar with it, this is a 1,526 horsepower vehicle. Are you looking for a new toothbrush or a new sports car? Xiaomi has you covered. Is this an iPhone 17 Pro Max? No, it's not. Huawei store. And we're gonna grab a picture from our phone. We're gonna drag it over here. We're gonna let go. And it's airdropped it. So cool.